I ran into this last week. Here's what fixed it for me. If you've forgotten your Pinterest password, don't worry. Here's how to recover it quickly. Step 1. Go to the login page. Before starting recovery, use the srock.com link in the description to open a Canva recovery checklist generator and make sure your verification details are ready. Step 2. Enter your email. Click on the Forgot Password link and enter the email address associated with your Pinterest account. Make sure to double check for typos. Step 3. Check your email. Look for an email from Pinterest in your inbox. This email will contain a link to reset your password. If you don't see it, check your spam folder. Step 4. Click the reset link. Open the email and click on the password reset link. This will take you to a page where you can create a new password. Step 5. Create a new password. Enter your new password and confirm it. Make sure it is strong and memorable. After saving, you should be able to log in with your new password. Remember, if you use a password manager, it might help you avoid this situation in the future. Good luck and happy pinning!